Have you tried everything to get rid of those unwanted man boobs, but nothing seems to work? You're not alone. Most people think they need an endless list of complicated exercises to achieve that chiseled masculine chest. But what if I told you that all you really need are just 3 exercises? That's right, 3. And the best part, they're simple, effective, and scientifically proven. In this video, we're going to cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. The only 3 exercises that will transform your chest and finally get rid of those man boobs for good. Stick with me and let's dive into how you can start making this change today. Effective chest exercises. When it comes to sculpting a firm, well-defined chest, you can't overlook the classics. Enter the 3 pillars of an effective chest workout: push-ups, bench presses, and chest fly. These exercises aren't just traditional. They're backed by scientific studies proving their effectiveness in targeting the pectoral muscles. Take push-ups, for example. They might seem simple, but don't be fooled. This is one of those exercises that, when done correctly, can completely transform your chest workout. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at the gym, at home, or even during a break at work, push-ups allow you to build muscle without the need for complicated equipment. Moreover, if you're really looking to grow your chest and gain that impressive volume, you need to invest in the bench press. The bench press is the exercise that puts the big in big muscles. With variations like the incline or decline bench press, you can work different angles of your chest, ensuring every part of the muscles gets hit. Imagine lying on the bench, setting up the bar, and feeling your chest muscles contract and stretch with each rep. There's no more satisfying feeling for anyone looking for that muscle pump. Without a doubt, it's a fundamental part of any serious bodybuilding routine. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have the chest fly. This exercise is a true artist when it comes to sculpting the finer details of your chest, directly working the pectoral muscles and giving you that definition that makes all the difference. Whether you're using dumbbells or a cable machine, chest flies allow precise control, targeting the muscles in a way few other exercises can. If you're after that bodybuilder definition, chest flies are the way to go. And as any good mentor would say, combine these exercises with a good dose of cardio, a balanced diet, and adequate rest. But don't worry, we'll explore that more in the following paragraph. Push-ups. Push-ups are the quintessential bodyweight exercise, and it's easy to see why. Primarily working the pectoral muscles, triceps, and shoulders, push-ups also engage the core, creating a workout that is both efficient and effective. Think about it. You don't need a gym or expensive equipment, just your own body. Variations of push-ups like decline or diamond push-ups at an extra level of intensity can make all the difference. For those who want to maximize results and build impressive muscles, these variations are pure gold. For example, incorporating incline push-ups into your routine places more emphasis on the upper chest, part that's often neglected in traditional workout. On the other hand, diamond push-ups, with hands closer together, intensely work the triceps while still hitting the chest. It's like giving your training routine an upgrade without needing anything more than a little space and willpower. Think of it as the perfect way to pump your muscles, prepare your body for bigger challenges in the gym or even in daily life. And don't underestimate the impact these variations can have on your overall workout. Adding these push-ups to your regular exercise regimen is essentially building a solid foundation that will prepare you for more complex and heavier challenges, like the bench press and other strength training exercises. Plus, the versatile nature of push-ups means you can easily incorporate them into any workout, whether you're aiming to gain muscle mass or lose weight. And, of course, who doesn't love that immediate chest pump after a well-executed set? Bench press. The bench press is the exercise every bodybuilding enthusiast reveres, and for good reason. It's the true cornerstone when it comes to developing chest muscle mass and strength. If you've ever been to a gym, you know the bench press is almost a ritual. Lying on the bench, positioning your hands on the bar, and feeling the weight that will work your muscles is an unparalleled sensation. The bench press in its various forms, incline, decline, or the traditional flat, is designed to target different angles of the chest, ensuring a complete and balanced muscle development. For instance, The incline bench press is perfect for highlighting the upper chest, creating a well-defined line that's noticeable even under a t-shirt. The decline bench press, on the other hand, puts more load on the lower chest, which is often harder to work. These variations are essential for anyone who wants balanced muscle growth. It truly makes a difference when showing off the results. When done consistently, the bench press becomes a powerful tool. Anyone looking to build muscle and strength, whether for aesthetic purposes or to improve performance in other sports. It's no wonder the bench press is considered one of the most complete exercises for chest training. Not only does it help build big, voluminous muscles, but it also works the triceps and shoulders as secondary muscles, making it a multifaceted exercise. And remember, to maximize your gains, it's crucial to combine the bench press with other physical activities and a solid nutritional plan. But we'll talk more about that later. Chest fly. When it comes to adding that extra definition to your chest flies are the secret many bodybuilders keep under wraps. This exercise is particularly effective for isolating the pectoral muscles, working them in a way that other exercises simply can't match. With a pair of dumbbells or a cable machine, you can focus on each fiber of your chest, stretching and contracting the muscles in a movement sculpts and defines. It's the kind of exercise that, when added to your routine, can transform the look of your chest, giving it that appearance everyone seeks. Practical example of how to use chest flies in your workout is to integrate them at the end of your chest routine, after exercises like the bench press. This ensures that the muscles are already pre-activated, allowing the fly to work the pectoral fibers more effectively. Another interesting approach is to use the cable machine, which offers continuous resistance and allows for more precise control of the movement. This is particularly useful for those who not only want to grow their muscles, but also improve body symmetry and balance. Additionally, chest flies don't just help build muscle, they also contribute to improving the range of motion in your shoulders and chest. This is essential for preventing injuries and maintaining consistent performance in other physical activity, such as sports or even day-to-day tasks. But remember, this is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly achieve the desired results, it's important to combine these exercises with a more comprehensive fitness plan. And that's exactly what we'll discuss next. Comprehensive fitness plan. Having the best chest exercises up your sleeve means nothing. You don't take a holistic approach to your fitness plan. An effective chest workout must be part of a broader program that also includes cardiovascular exercises, a balanced diet, and of course, proper rest. This is because, to eliminate that stubborn chest fat, or man boobs as they're often called, you need to reduce your overall body fat percentage. The recommendation is clear: 150 minutes of cardio per week. This can be spread across running, cycling, or even a good HIIT session at the gym. Key is to keep your body moving. In addition to cardio, nutrition plays a crucial role. It's not enough to just train hard. You need to eat smart. A diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats provides the necessary fuel for muscles to grow and for the body to burn fat efficiently. Imagine starting your day with an egg white omelet, followed by a lunch of grilled chicken breast and sweet potatoes, and ending your day with a light yet nutritious dinner. Choices like these make all the difference when it comes to building muscle and losing weight. And let's not forget about rest. Muscles grow when you rest, not while you train. So, ensuring a good night's sleep and adequate rest days between workouts is essential to give your body the time it needs to recover and grow. This is where many people fail, thinking that more training always means more results. In reality, balance is the key to any successful fitness plan. And now that you understand the importance of a complete approach, it's time to dive into why these 3 exercises are all you need to finally get rid of those man boobs for good. Now that you know the only 3 exercises that really matter for getting rid of man boobs, the question is, are you ready to make this change happen? Remember, it's not just about doing the exercises. It's about applying everything you've learned and turning it into a consistent routine. How would it feel to see your body transform, to see the results in the mirror, and to feel your confidence grow with each passing day? And more importantly, what's stopping you from starting right now? So how about committing to this new journey? Leave a comment on what you liked most about this video and what other challenges you're facing in your fitness journey. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any powerful tips like this one. See you next time.